Hello everyone, my name is Vinayak Bajrang Arge. My parent number is 20UT003. My topic of explanation is stagger tuned amplifier. So let's start with our point. So let's start the stagger tuned amplifier definition. It is a circuit in which two single turned cascade amplifiers having certain bandwidth are taken and their resonant frequency are adjusted that they are separate by amount equal to the bandwidth of each stage. Since resonant frequencies are displaced, it is called a stagger tuned amplifier. Frequency response of stagger tuned amplifier. In the frequency as starting it increases, this is, and certain constant, then level it become constant and then again decreased. This is response of individual stages, and same overall response of stagger. This is relative amplitude. In the graph, we conclude that as the numbers of stages increases, bandwidth decreases. Example, BW1 means bandwidth 1 is equal to 20 kilohertz, n is equal to 3. This is the formula. Bandwidth n is equal to BW1 under root 2 raised to 1 upon n minus 1. It is BW1 is equal to 20 kilohertz. 20 into 10 raised to 3 under root 2 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. This is the final answer, 101.96 kilohertz. The need of stagger tuned amplifier. The double tuned amplifier gives grammar 3 dB bandwidth having steeper sides and flat top, but alignment of double tuned amplifier is difficult. To overcome this problem, two single tuned amplifiers are cascaded. Next point is construction. So the construction of this stagger tuned amplifier. Then this is R3. This is CC means coupled capacitor. This is VS. VS means source voltage. This is R1. This is R2. This is capacitor. This is inductor. L means inductor. This is CC. CC means coupled capacitor. CE. This is emitter capacitor. This is ground. RE, emitter resistance. R1. This is R2. This is capacitor. This is inductor. And CC means coupling capacitor. RE and CE. CE means common emitter. This is ground. And this is output voltage means VO. This is VCC. This VCC. It's all about the construction of stagger tuned amplifier. Construction of stagger tuned amplifier. Now some information of stagger tuned amplifier. In stagger tuned circuit, two single tuned cascade amplifiers having a certain bandwidth are taken. The resonant frequencies of the two tuned circuits are so adjustment that they are separate by an amount equal to bandwidth of each stage. Since the resonant frequencies are displaced or staggered, then are known as stagger tuned circuits. So, what is mean by tuned amplifier? Tuned amplifier are the amplifiers that they are employed for the purpose tuning, means selecting among a set of frequencies available if there occurs a need to select the particular frequency while rejecting all other frequencies. Such a process is called a selection. This selection is done by using a circuit called as tuned amplifier. Thank you.